I've been getting requests asking me how to install an SSD hard drive. It's very simple. You take the SSD hard drive, the computer that you have that you want to install it in, you unplug the two cables and you plug them right into this piece here. See, there's two cables on it. One's a small one and one's a big one. But it's got to go in a certain way because there's a little hook on the bottom of each one. You can see that there's two hooks. So you just take your two cables, they look like that, but they're separate, and you just plug them right into your cables, and you can mount it where your other one was, and you're good to go. Now you'll have a very fast hard drive. You just put Windows on it and some programs, your drivers, and you're ready to go. So hope that helps you. See you in the next video.